In terms of research, I feel KPJ is really well poised to lead the way in clinical research. We have sort of the hub of KPJ University and the Research and Innovation Center to drive this, but more so because we have a network of 30 hospitals. So leveraging on the extensive clinical experience, patient data, and the volume of work we have, there's a lot that we can do in research. It all depends on everybody coming together, pulling our best ideas together, and having the support of the research center to improve our methodologies, improve the way we look at data, AI analytics, for instance, to make our research truly cutting edge and innovative. I've always believed in the idea that the best researcher is a good clinician, and a good clinician is also a good researcher. Because when you study what you do, you always do better, you always deliver better care. I started out my journey in research when I was working in Cebu, Sarawak. I saw a lot of nasopharyngeal cancer. Every week, we would diagnose one new patient with nasopharyngeal cancer. Consultant then, my mentor, Dr. Ang, he actually challenged me. He said, one day when you enter the university, or one day when you are a clinician, do research in this work for your country. So ever since that, given that mandate, I ventured into cancer research, and a lot of it in molecular biology. So that has always been my passion. So I'm very glad being in KPJ Academic Healthcare System actually has given me a new opportunity to embark onto this kind of research, both in clinical trials as well as in molecular biology, will empower more targeted therapies that will help us create new treatments. One of the research that we're doing is growing cancer cell lines in NPC, or nasopharyngeal cancer cell lines, and this will really help us have the material that we need in the lab to experiment on new therapies, new markers, and new targets for treatment as well as for diagnosis. One of the innovations that we need to embrace will be the use of artificial intelligence in healthcare. Many people feel threatened or afraid that we may be replaced by AI, but really I'd like to look at AI not as artificial intelligence, but technology that can augment our intelligence, that can advance the work that we do. In the end, with the use of AI in our work, whether it's diagnostics or analyzing our data or predicting diagnosis or guiding our care, AI will actually not replace us, but will humanize healthcare. It will allow us to work better and faster and smarter. As doctors, as clinicians, as nurses, it frees us up to be human again. It frees us up to be there for our patients, to deliver the touch of care, to deliver the voice of compassion.